Hi there, ladies and gentlemen, back again for another episode of My Goem. आज आम्ही आयल्या सुर्ला गावान. Surla is a place, a lovely place, just across river Mandavi. रिवर मांडवीच्या दुसऱ्या बाजून वळवय म्हणटा त्या गांवाच्या दुसऱ्या सायडीक सुर्ला म्हणटा तो गांव. प्लीज डोंट मिक्स दिस अप विथ तांबडी सुर्ला. Now we have come today for a very unique festival which is part of Shigmo. But as we go on, you will realize how Goans are practical in their living with pure communal harmony. Now to come here from Panjim, you have to drive from Old Goa, but don't take the long road via Banastari and all. You can take a shortcut on the Gondare bridge, pass through Marcel, go over the Khandola bridge, and then you take a right turn at the Naveli junction. Naveli is soon after the Seza industry which is there. And when you travel approximately about 30 kilometers from Panjim, you reach a place called as Surla. Very, very historic place. It has got a lovely Siddhanath cave over here. There is a temple, and on the other side of this hillock is the masjid of the Pir, or the Surla Tar masjid, one of the supposed 12 mosques that were built during the Adil Shah time. Today we have come here because of Shigmo. I'm not sure whether you can hear the drums behind, but the gaiety and the beats have started. And you will watch what happens when the people from here get together. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to see the Siddhanath cave. Behind my cameraman, he is Mr. Tulsidas Chari. He comes along with me everywhere because we Goans are very talented in all these arts. And he covers all these aspects just for you, wherever you are, whether in your flat, your house, or anywhere else in the world. So I want you to see this cave of the Siddhanath, protected by the Directorate of Archives and Archaeology, Government of Goa. As we came here to this place to find out about Surla, I have told you a little brief about it, but we met Advocate Mr. Narvekar. Mr. Narvekar has been born and brought up in this village, and who better than to tell a person from the village. So, Advocate Narvekar, welcome to my program called My Goem. And since we have come into your village called as Surla, I would request you to tell my clients who are all over the world what this Surla village is, because people mix up Tamdi Surla and your Surla. Okay?
Surla, if I start with, Surla village जी आसा ती मांडवीच्या काठार मादईच्या काठार वसावळी घाल्ली आसा. सुर्लाच्या पंचायतान जे आसा सिंहा सिद्धेश्वर, नवदुर्गा, मल्लिकार्जुन आनी नारायण देव अशें देवस्थान आसा. आनी देवस्थानाचो हो शिगमो जाता, वार्षिक शिगमो जाता. आनी शिगमोत्सवाच्या निमतान सगळो गांव जो आसा एकठांय जाता. एकठांय जावन शिगमोत्सवाची एक आमची व्हडविकाय म्हटल्यार मोठेपण जर सांगूंक गेलो, जे आमच्या सबंद देशाक, गोंयाकूच न्हय तर सबंद देशाक आमी एक देख दिता, हो उत्सव देख दिता, हो गांव देख दिता, सबंद जगाक देख दिता, ती म्हटल्यार हिंदू आनी मुसलमाना भितर हांगासर एकवट आसा. हिंदू आनी मुसलमान हांच्या मदीं हो उत्सव एक लिंक जावन आसा, एक कनेक्शन जावन आसा. तें तुमी कशें काय म्हणटलें. हांगासर पळयात आमची एक म्हण आसा, मोड आसा. पिरा देवाची थोड थोड नामरा भांगराच्या काठावर सोपशिल चौरा. पिरा देवाची थोड थोड नामना भांगराच्या काठावर सोपशिल चौरा. तशेंच माटेवलो आमोरे चौरांनी बले सिंहाचा देवराजा प्रसादांनी बले. माटेवलो आमोरे चौरांनी बले सिंहाचा देवराजा प्रसादांनी बले. अशे दोन मोडी आसा. पारंपारीक गितां आसा. तालगडीचो प्रकार जो आसा आमी तालगडीचो प्रकार चेंडूफळ तशेंच भोंवरताळो हांगा सुर्लान खेळटा. आतां देखीक सांगूंक गेल्यार सुर्ला आनी मुसलमाना भितर कनेक्शन कशें आसा म्हणूंक गेल्यार सुर्लान एक मशीद आसा. ती मशिदीचें जावन आसा पीर बाबाची मशीद. पीर बाबाचे मशिदीक दर वर्सा आमी भेटेक वता. शिमगाचो जो रोमटामेळ आसा सिंहा सिद्धेश्वराची जी शिमगोत्सव समिती आसा ती वर्सा प्रमाण दर वर्सा पीर देवाच्या भेटेक वता. पीर देवाच्या भेटेक वतना थंय आमी तालगडीचो प्रकार खेळटा. आनी दोनूय समाजाचे मनीस जे आसा हिंदू आनी मुसलमान ह्या धर्माचे लोक दोगूय जे आसा ते पिरा देवाचे मशिदी कडेन एकठांय येता आनी जगा खातीर सगळ्या खातीर प्रे करता. थंय शिमगोत्सव आमी सेलेब्रेट करता. ही जी परंपरा जी आसा ती आमच्या देवळा पुरतीच मर्यादीत नासून मुसलमान भाव लेगीत आमच्या बरोबर एकठांय येवन हो उत्सव व्हडा उमेदीन मनयता.
Well, that shows about the living example of communal harmony in this village of Surla. The festivities have just started. You could have heard the small the romad that has been playing behind and how those people are so enthusiastic. Now, for the time being, we will watch these people as they dance and they go around this temple with this instruments and the percussions. Let's go and watch them. It's very beaty, very, very beaty. And talking about beats, it's extremely heaty outside. So please wear a cap. Take a lot of water if you are going to come over here. And especially, this advice from My Goem goes to all my Goenkar brothers and sisters and to all the other people also. These days the temperatures are rising. Please drink a lot of water and don't hesitate to answer the call of nature, because that's where we make the mistake. And if you do this in proper order, then you will be able to enjoy all the festivities, come what may, what the weather is. So right now, let's see the Surla Bhawartalo over here. Come. So, ladies and gentlemen, now behind me down is the Siddheshwar temple. We have seen how vigorously and slowly but systematically these people danced the Bhaurtalo and the Talgadi, one type of Talgadi. And now they have come up the slope over here at this junction where there is this pad over here, and from here they are going to cross over the hill and go to the masjid, the Pir Sahib Masjid. So ladies and gentlemen, let's walk along with them and see where they are going and what they do. We promote the communal harmony of Goa that has come down to us from the last few centuries. So ladies and gentlemen, let's live up to that Goan ethos of communal harmony. From the Siddheshwar temple down on the other side of the hill, they have come walking up. Some have driven. Earlier they used to walk, now they have got motorbikes. And from there, they left the bikes on top. And then they didn't come down by the original road. They came down from a pass. A pass is a stone road which has got a few stones flat and one stone on top when it was at a slope. The reason was that people should not slip and fall. And people tell me that they used to walk down that thing. But on the way down here to the mosque, there is a Datta Maharaj temple. So you can see them, they go there, they dance, and from there, they come dancing all the way between the houses. And here you can see the crowds already coming down on their way to the Surla Tar mosque, where behind there is a grave of Pir Sahib. After they have danced on the courtyard of the Datta Maharaj temple, you can see them walking so beautifully. आमच्या गोंयान इतली माणकुली beautiful घरां आसा, नळ्यांची घरां आसा. You can see them walking in between. This is a typical scenario of a Goan village. You can see I am standing on one of the steps of the houses. And to my left, you can see this big procession coming from the Surla Siddheshwar temple to a mosque. How more beautiful can Goa be? Just look at the joy on their face. Look at these two young people who are so beautifully engrossed. The big percussion is the dole, and the one being played with the small sticks is the shamir. And what that brass instrument is the kasare. These are the Goans. There you have got a big wave from all of them. Please do come and see this, because these beats, let them travel down to the generations that come. Let us take the message of communal harmony. Let us make Goa a beautiful symbol and a pilot for the world to understand how people can shed whatever their differences are, come together and let us enjoy. Let us live in harmony. Let us have community. You can see the locals dancing in front of the mosque, between the mosque and the lake that they have. This dance is called as Talgadi. You find that this dance is only by the male artists. The ladies don't take part in the Shigmo festivities, though they are there to come, see, observe and to enjoy. And as a symbol of the union between the two communities here, the credit is given to Pir Sahib, a Dargah that is just behind this place. You can see that the Hindu devotees who have come over here, or participants, or the villagers who have come here, they are lighting agarbattis and they are given a little bit of prasad by the Maulvi.
الله وحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الله وحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الله وحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الله وحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لقد موسى حاسب من جسد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. من الناس من الناس من الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذين آمنوا وكانوا يتقون. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. الفاتحة.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
बिलखुसूस हज़रत पीर साहब के रोए पाक पर नज़र कबूल अता फरमा। और या अल्लाह या परवरदिगार बिलखुसूस फातिहा खानी के सत्य तो फैल यहाँ पर जो जितने भी हजरात हिंदू मुस्लिम एक होकर के यहाँ पर जमा हुए हैं अल्लाह या परवरदिगार तो अपनी बारगाह में कबूल अता फरमा। और या अल्लाह या परवरदिगार यहाँ पर जितने भी हजरात हमारे लोग हों या हिंदू भाई लोग हों या अल्लाह या परवरदिगार जिस मकसद के तहत हर साल यहाँ पर जमा होते हैं अल्लाह या परवरदिगार इनके दिलों में जो भी आरजू तमन्ना ख्वाहिशें मन्नतें मुरादें हो जो भी मनोकामना के तहत ये आ रहे हैं अल्लाह या परवरदिगार इनमें से किसी के दिलों में जो भी आरजू है तो या अल्लाह या परवरदिगार इस फातिहा खानी के सदके तो फिर तमाम की नेक जायज़ मुरादों को पूरी अता फरमा। अल्लाह तबारक व तआला फी शान हबील करीम इन्नल्लाह व मलाइकतहु यसल्लूना अलन नबी या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू सल्लु अलैहि व सल्लिमू तस्लीमा। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना नबियना हबीबना मौलाना व सल्लिम सलातन व सलामन अलैका या रसूलल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु तआला अलैका व सल्लम। सुब्हान रब्बिका रब्बिल इज्जति अम्मा यसिफून व सलामुन अलल मुरसलीन वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह मुहम्मदुर
You have seen something that happened in front of the Pir Masjid or the Surla Tar Masjid which is here. You can see here the beads behind, but they are the same beads what I call as the heartbeats of Goa. And here I have got two gentlemen over here, Aslam Shah and Abul Muzawar. Good. Let's find out from Aslam Bhai and Abul Saab what are their views about this festival.
आम्ही ह्या दिसाक न्हू एवरी इयर वी आर वेटिंग फॉर दीस डे टू कम. कित्याक आमचे जे भाव आहा न्हू आमी हांव 7वी पर्यंत हांगाच टिकलां आनी हो आमची मूळ जागो आमचो हो आनी आमी रावता ह्या दिसाक. ह्या दिसाच्या निमित्तान आमी आमच्या हिंदू भावांक मेळटा आमी दुसऱ्यांक मेळटा एकामेकाक गळे लागता आनी इतलो आनंद जाता आमकां पळोवन की आजुनूय आमचो तो भाईचारो म्हणटा पळय तो आजुनूय आसा. एंड दीस इज समथींग व्हेरी प्रेस्टिजियस एंड व्हेरी कोर ऑफ दीस आवर आयडेंटिटी ऑफ गोवा यू नो. ओके आमी अशेंच रावपाक जाय आनी आमकां हें अशेंच चालू जाय. दीस इज बेस्ट फॉर आवर ह्युमॅनिटी.
I think we can be a good example to the world. What do you have to say on this?
See, this politics and all this thing is not our cup of tea. आणि हे आमच्या खातीर न्हू हे आमी सगळे मेळूनच आसता. आमी हिंदू भाव जावन क्रिश्चन भाव जावं आमी मुस्लीम भाव सगळे आमी मेळून आसता. ही आमी ह्या पॉलिटिक्सानू वचना केन्ना ह्या पॉलिटिक्सान गेल्यार आमचो हो भाईचारो केन्ना उरपाक ना. एंड दीस इज द आयडेंटिटी ऑफ गोवा एक्चुअली आनी ही रावपाक जाय.
Now, in this entire shoot over here, you saw that there were some prayers being said. Here, we are speaking to the very man who has said these blessings.
आप लोगों को यही सीख लेकर के जाना है.
आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद तंजील है और मैं यहाँ पे मौलाना का काम करता हूँ। ये माहौल जो है मैं बहुत जगह घूमा हूँ, ऐसा देखने को नहीं मिलता है, लेकिन यहाँ बोले तो बहुत अच्छी बात है और ये देख करके हमें भी खुशी होती है और लोगों को भी खुशी होती है और ऐसा हमेशा चले तो और भी अच्छा है कि हमारे हिंदू मुस्लिम भाई सब एक हो करके आज से नहीं बल्कि ये बहुत सालों से चल रहा है, तो ऐसा ही चलना चाहिए। और अगर आपके आजू बाजू में अगर ऐसा नहीं चल रहा है तो चलाना चाहिए, चाहे वो हिंदू हो चाहे वो मुस्लिम हो, तो उनको भी सिखाना चाहिए कि नहीं हम लोग हिंदुस्तान में रहते हैं तो हम एक है, और चाहे वो हमारे हिंदू भाई हो या मुस्लिम भाई हो, जहाँ भी रहें एक रहें, मिल करके रहें। हाँ, भेदभाव नहीं कि हम मुस्लिम हैं आप हिंदू हैं।
सो थँक यू व्हेरी मच मौलवी साहब. हांगा जेन्ना सगळे लोक आयले आनी तुमी तुमचे प्रेयर्स म्हणले, हांव पळयतालो की एक प्रेयर तुमी म्हणले, एक प्रेयर ताणी म्हणले कोणे तरी, आनी मागीर ब्लेसिंग्स ताणी घाले. वॉट आर दीस डिफरंट प्रेयर्स?
नाही ॲक्च्युली कितें मिनींग ताचो सेम आसा. सगळ्यांचे देव बरें करून बरें जावचे. आमचे कुरानान सांगलेलो आसा सगळे धर्माचे बरें जावचे, माय मोगान रावचे आनी तशें हे डिफरन्स करचे न्ही. आमी हांगा ल्हानपणासून आमचे पयले आजे पणजेसून आमी पळयता हे सगळे हिंदू मुस्लीम दे नो डिफरन्स एट ऑल. हय, वी वॉन्ट टू बी युनायटेड वी स्टँड डिवायड वील फॉल.
म्हणजे हांव जाणा त्या हिसपान ही आमची चलता न्ही ही परंपरा, हांव आयकून जाणात हे आमचे 7 जनरेशन जाले. आतां आमची जनरेशन पिळगी म्हणटा हे 7वी 6वी.
तुमचें नांव कितें?
सादात फिरोज शाह मुजावर.
With this, I'm going to say thanks to this committee and thank you very much and have a great time, and we will have many such festivals next. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So ladies and gentlemen, we have come to an end of a beautiful episode. Something very unique that happens over here. We talk about communal harmony, but you have to come to experience it, because here is a mayor or a group of people in celebration mode, going from the Siddheshwar temple up the hill, down a very traditional pathway called as the pass, and coming to a masjid where there is a dargah of a peer behind. Please, if you have anything like this to tell us, let us know on the email that you see over here. So ladies and gentlemen, it's bidding goodbye to you. Bye bye. See you for the next episode.